All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this token has been making all kinds of noise and racket and all kinds of good things. In the month of November, it was the 7th most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter. We're going to go back and look at that in the month of November. 1 month ago, it was the 7th most talked about. Now, again, people are tweeting and talking and everything else. We got whales buying Dogelon Mars and more whales buying Dogelon. So we want to do a little deep dive into number 7, checking that out. Also, Dogelon has a new website about 3-4 weeks ago. We're going to check that out a little bit. And then one other thing, Cash App. For everybody who uses Cash App has actually now added a feature that you can gift stocks and Bitcoin, that you can just give it to someone on the Cash App. We're going to kind of talk about that. Then at the end, we'll go through a couple of the top 10 price predictions, the discount buys, and maybe buying the dip. So all kinds of good stuff that's going to be on this episode today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, maybe one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon is the 118th cryptocurrency on the planet right now, according to CoinMarketCap. It's up 2% in the last 24 hours, and it's down 2% in the last 7 days. So it's kind of washed itself out. Checking the price of the coin. So we got 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1183. We'll give us our price prediction a little bit later in the video. Right now, they're saying in the last 24 hours, this token is up 2%. If you take a look at this, here's where the coin really dipped real hard yesterday and today, and then it bounced back up really hard. So take a look at that dip. Now that's a dip, all right there, everybody. You'd call that buying the dip down at the bottom. So just to read this on the CoinMarketCap, it says Dogelon Mars has traveled backward through time and space to save humanity from mass extinction. A unit dog and mankind's last hope of survival is to colonize Mars and establish a base and operation to prepare for the coming years. Only through an establishment of universal standards of currency can they be spent technical innovations and research can mission be made possible. With these fundamental goals in mind, with Dogelon Mars sends a transmission to humanity inviting them, and so listen to this, to join his mission to recolonize Mars and prepare for a brighter future. It says, I am Dogelon Mars, join me together while we reach the stars. So kind of cool things there. We're jumping over to the Twitter real quick. All right, so over here at checking Twitter out here, the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in the month of November. Well, we already know where Elon, Dogelon Mars, is going to be right here in the middle, but we're going to start at the bottom here. So number 20, we got Matic. Number 19, Cardano. Number 18 is Algorand. 17 is the Sandbox at 1%. Decentraland is at 16 at 1%, 1.1. Phantom's at 1% at number 15. PancakeSwap is 14. Avalanche is number 12. We're coming up on the top 10 here. XRP is at 1.9%. Polkadot's at 10. Cardano is at number 9. And then here we go, number 8. BNB is at number 8. Dogelon Mars, number 7. The 7th most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter in the month of November, just last month. 3.1% of the actual tweets and people talking about cryptocurrency was Dogelon. Take a look at the plus 5 here. It actually moved up 5 slots in the month of November. Fantastic. Finished at number 6. SafeMoon is at number 6. Dogecoin is at number 5. Bitcoin is at number 4. Solana is at number 3. Ethereum's at number 2. And there's your Shiba Inu at number 1. So Dogelon Mars, number 7, most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter last month. So I wanted to show you this on Times Square, Dogelon Mars right there in the middle of Times Square. So if you actually are in Times Square down in New York and you actually see a Dogelon, try to get a selfie of yourself right there. So take a look at that. You know, one of the nice things is CoinMarketCap right here. It says, what is Dogelon, Elon? A featured tokenomics and price prediction. CoinMarketCap, which we use all the time. What is Dogelon Mars? Features, tokenomics, and price prediction. CoinMarketCap takes a deep dive into Dogelon Mars. Doge meme token and has taken over many of the rivals and is expected to keep growing. So CoinMarketCap has actually done a whole entire deep dive of Dogelon Mars. And it says, what is Dogelon Mars? Features, tokenomics, and price prediction. CoinMarketCap takes a deep dive into Dogelon. So a couple interesting things right here. Take a look at this. We have 115,000 holders of Dogelon Mars now. That's absolutely fantastic. Dogelon is one of the many dog meme tokens that is inspired by Dogecoin. Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla and SpaceX, is somewhat of a meme himself in the crypto world and is often seen posting about cryptos on his Twitter account. While Dogelon Mars, Elon has no direct relation to Elon Musk himself, the name sure has an influence, as Elon token has much more than 115,000 holders. That's absolutely fantastic already, everybody. And where can you buy Dogelon Mars? Currently, Elon token is available on KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, LBank, Uniswap, ShibaSwap, and you know, you can get it on bot. So what are your thoughts? Do you have a little Dogelon Mars? Have you had a chance to take a look at it? In the month of November, it was the 7th most cryptocurrency talked about on Twitter. It moved up 5 spots from the month before. So month before it is at number 12. Now it's at number 7. More and more people. We've been doing articles the last couple weeks on whales buying Dogelon Mars, so you know whales are buying it. Let's go ahead and head over to Cash App. So Cash App has some features now that they're adding that you can actually, well, you know you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App, pretty awesome, but now you can actually gift it and give it to somebody. Let's check that out. It says right here, Cash App now lets users gift stocks and Bitcoin using their USD balance or their debit card. So right here, here's the Cash App. You have all your cryptocurrencies around it. Taking a look, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just to name a few. So there's already a number of ways to gift cryptocurrency, but today, Cash App will make it a little bit easier and simpler with a new feature rolling out a peer-to-peer payment app. The app is owned by Block, which is the company that was formerly known as Square. So Square renamed themselves to Block. We now allow users in the U.S. to send Bitcoin, a well-transitional stock as gifts to other U.S. Cash App users. It says why services like Stockpile and Coinbase allow users to give stocks and cryptocurrencies, respectively. Cash App notes that this is the first time such a feature has been offered to a peer-to-peer payment app. So pretty cool stuff. So on the Cash App on your phone, you can actually gift some Bitcoin and also some stocks. It says the feature builds on a priority functionality. Cash App allows the users to send a Bitcoin to any cash tag in any app for free. This makes the new gifting feature different than it is now. Users can send Bitcoin using Cash App USD balance or debit cards, not just their Bitcoin balances. This means users don't have to actually own any Bitcoin or any stocks, for that matter, on Cash App Mobile in order to send it as a gift. So right there's your Cash App today. They're giving an example here of somebody sending $10 to somebody for the holidays. So if you've used Cash App, if you haven't used it, it's a pretty easy app. You just download it on your phone, and then you can actually send money, and now you can actually gift Bitcoin and stocks with Cash App. You know, a couple other things. Cash App isn't just only peer-to-peer app. That has explained into investing in the crypto market. The top rivals, PayPal and Venmo, also offer the ability to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency. Plus, Venmo this year added the ability for credit card users to buy cryptocurrency with their cash back as another means to purchasing, pushing, using to invest in their app. So all kinds of good stuff with Cash App going on. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Have you used the Cash App? Are you going to send somebody a little bit of Bitcoin using your Cash App? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. We bring you a video every single day, Monday through Friday, around 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, noon. Also, our bonus videos will be about 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. On the weekends, we bring you a video around 3 to 4 o'clock. Always it's going to be something on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, all kinds of good stuff. Juicy things of what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. Let's go ahead and head back over to Dogelon Mars and give you a little price prediction and figure out what's going on. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. You know, again, Dogelon Mars has got 5 zeros and 1188. My price prediction is 5 zeros and it goes up to 4,000, 4000. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Too much going on with Dogelon Mars. You got whales buying it. You got more whales buying it. It's the 7th most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter. The month before that, it was the 12th most cryptocurrency and moved up 5 positions. So there's just a lot of buzz going on in Dogelon Mars. You can go over to Uniswap to buy it. Take a look right here on the Dogelon Mars website. You can go to crypto.com to buy it. You can go to Uniswap, KuCoins. I mean, all kinds of places to get your Dogelon Mars. All right, so give us your thoughts. Dogelon Mars, do you own some? Are you getting some? Are you keeping your eye on it? I don't know. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this video with your friends. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today on Thursday.